As an intern, I was exposed to quite a few different things that Foth does here, which really helped me be able to pick those markets and kind of those projects a little bit more that I wanted to work on. And project managers are very open to helping you figure out what it is that you want to do with your career. I'm proud to work at Foth because of the awesome clients that we get to work for. They play such a big role in their communities that they serve, and I'm happy to help them solve their toughest science and engineering problems, and at the end of the day, make the communities a cleaner and safer place for us and the other people that live in there. Even within a single role at Foth, you get to do so many things and then kind of pick the path forward that you want to go into. If someone was thinking about joining the Foth team, I would definitely recommend it. We work in so many different fields, so it's really easy to find a place for yourself. Everybody's welcome here at Foth, and we're excited to have you join our team.